We're getting closer to summer and you're thinking about trying a new recipe out for your annual summer barbecue, right? I've been to plenty of barbecues that always have the same staple sides. While those are fine, sometimes it's good to try something new. If you feel the same as I do, try adding this recipe for Cuban-style black beans into your barbecue rotation. This recipe takes less than an hour to make and can always be made ahead of time for your party. So, let's get started. In a pot over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is shimmering, add 1 chopped red onion and stir until it is softened. This will take about 5 minutes. Once the onion is softened, add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and cook, stirring frequently until fragrant. This will be about 30 seconds. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of roasted cumin, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of dark chili powder over the onion garlic mixture and stir to combine. Next come the beans. We're going to add 2 15-ounce cans of black beans. 1 can we will rinse and drain, and the other we'll take it as is. Add them both to your onion garlic mixture. Add in a 4-ounce can of green chilies and stir well. Pour in 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth and stir. Bring this to a simmer and let it cook until thickened, about 30 minutes. When the beans are done cooking, stir in a tablespoon of lime juice and a tablespoon of chopped cilantro. Mix and plate it up. The green chilies add a little heat to the black beans, and all the spices really round out this dish. For your next barbecue or taco party, make these beans. I guarantee everyone will ask you for the recipe. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. For news about upcoming recipes, follow me on Twitter. Thanks for watching. See you next time.